Changing out an outlet when there's no wire. Just barely sticking out the wall. Showing you my technique. Doing it hot because fuck it. So I just pull these screws all the way out of it. Let them fall to the ground. It arcs a little bit and what have you because the light's flowing through these outlets apparently. There's 3. So then, just pull the screws out of the outlet. Like that. I put me one of the gold screws on here. Slip it in between the 2 sets of wires. There we go, there's 1 wire complete. Sometimes they don't line up perfect. There we go. Now you just get those wires laying back over the holes. Boom, there's 3 wires down. There we go. 4 wires attached.